Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Now there's a bit of good, bad and ugly in the forecast over the next few days. We begin on a good note on Wednesday with a ridge of high pressure just nudging in from the west and a crisp winter's day in prospect. Still rather blustery though across the mountains. A keen north-northwesterly, particularly on more eastern hills, will tend to ease down though as the day is going on. A lot of sunshine around, some banks of cloud on the hills that are most exposed to that northwesterly flow, so northern Scotland and across Snowdonia as well, where a few snow showers or flurries will be around. Otherwise, generally a dry day. Now, widespread hard frost takes us overnight into Thursday with clear skies, but changes are developing from the west as a frontal system moves in. Now, that will advance in with deteriorating conditions quite quickly into Thursday morning. Still a bit of uncertainty on the exact timing, but it's already onto the west coast of Scotland early in the day, and snow becoming extensive across the mountains of Scotland, across the lakes and Wales, and getting onto the Pennines as well as time goes on into the morning. Just watch your timing for this one, because extensive heavy upland snowfall and whiteout could well set in quite early in the day across many hills and mountains. Now, there will be a temporary lift of freezing level, but across the tops it will likely stay near or below freezing, so snow will continue over the mountains. Lower down, a mix maybe of some sleet and some freezing rain, even for a spell, and then the freezing level will tend to drop once more into Thursday evening and night, with snow and hail showers following again. Accompanying the precipitation will be extensive upland gales as well for Thursday, severe gales across the higher mountains, severe wind chill factor. It is looking a poor day overall. And Friday is rather a wild one as well, with a cold westerly flow across the country. Wind speed still gale or near gale force across many higher tops much of the day. Some squally gusts coming through with showers as well, which will be frequent in western regions. Snow and hail falling to lower slopes. The chance of a rumble of thunder in there at times as well. More eastern regions somewhat drier and brighter, but a scattering of showers coming through at times. Now, our first glimpse towards the weekend, and it's a generally unsettled story continuing, with west to southwesterly winds coming in off the Atlantic. Difficulty with exact detail, but fronts will pass eastwards with some extensive precipitation. A bit of a rise of freezing level once again, typically across England and Wales. It may just get above freezing to higher tops. Across Scotland, any rise of freezing level is very short-lived, so more likely extensive snowfalls across the mountains, and that will be followed by further showers coming in from the west as well. Sunday looks as though we're back into a more of a showery westerly sort of pattern, with some snow and some hail most frequent in the west, more eastern regions drier and sunnier, and it could well stay rather windy, and it's a cold picture across the hills. Maybe just beyond that into the start of next week, as the warm front to the west comes in, temperatures may then start to rise for a time. That's all further on the horizon though. For the time being, some wintry hazards in the forecast. Stay up to date with your local details every day on our website. That's your Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Thanks for watching.